Day, I'm glad you can join me for today's lesson. Today, we're going to be learning about singular and plural nouns. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify singular and plural nouns, and you'll be able to write plural forms of nouns correctly. Now let's talk about what singular and plural nouns are. Now, a singular noun is a noun that names only one person, place, thing, or animal. Singular means single or one. That is the key word to remember. So, for example, boy is a singular noun because there is only one person. Store is a singular noun because there is only one place. Tree is a singular noun because there is only one thing. And dog is a singular noun because there is only one animal. Now, a plural noun is different from a singular noun because it names more than one person, place, thing, or animal. For example, this is a plural noun because there are more than one. Instead of saying boy, we would make it plural by adding an S and saying boys. Now we see here more than one. So instead of saying store, we would say stores. Again, there are more than one, so instead of saying tree, we would say trees. And last but not least, we see here that there are more than one. So instead of saying dog, we would say dogs. As you can see, to make these nouns plural, you can add an S to them. Let's practice. Looking at this image below, can you figure out if it's a singular or a plural noun? Is it gift or gifts? If you answered gifts, you are correct. This is a plural noun because there are more than one. Let's try another example. Can you figure out if this is a singular or plural noun? Count how many there are. If you said car, you are correct. This is a singular noun because there is only one thing. Let's try another example. Can you figure out if this is a singular or a plural noun? If you said cats, you are correct. There are more than one. There are four, so that makes it a plural noun. Can you identify if this is a singular or a plural noun? If you said pencil, you are correct. This is a singular noun because there is only one thing. Let's look at this image. Is this a singular or a plural noun? If you said fruits, you are correct. There are more than one, so that makes it a plural noun. We just practiced identifying singular and plural nouns. Now let's move on to our next goal. Can you write plural forms of nouns correctly? Now let's look at this image. Here is the singular form of the noun, which says brother. There are more than one. Take time to write the plural form of the noun correctly. And when you're ready, play this video again. If you added an S to the end of the singular noun to make it plural, brothers, you are correct. Let's try another example. The singular form of this noun is mask. Now there are more than one. Can you write the plural form of the noun correctly? Use your pencil and paper, write down the plural form, and when you're ready to find out the answer, play this video again. The plural form of this noun is mask. If you added an S at the end, wonderful job. Let's try another example. The singular form of this noun is cell phone. As you can see, there are more than one. Can you write the plural form of the noun correctly? Once you're ready to check your answer, play this video again. The plural form is cell phones with an S. Awesome job. The singular form of this noun is shoe. As you can see in this image, there are more than one. Can you write the plural form of the noun correctly? When you're ready to find out the answer, play this video again. If you answered shoes, you're correct. That is the plural form of the noun shoe. Wonderful job, boys and girls. I'm glad that we can go over singular and plural nouns. Now let's go ahead and revisit our goals. Were you able to identify singular and plural nouns? And are you able to write plural forms of nouns correctly? If so, you're ready. Let's move on to our assignments. Take care and thank you again for joining me. Be safe.